and a lot more integrations if you do upgrade to the basic plan. Okay, so now let's hop down here to the courses section, because this is where most of the action is really going to happen and where you're going to spend most of your time. So once I click on courses, I can click this new course button, or I could click this little plus symbol right here. But all we need to do is give our course a name. So I'm just going to call this Awesome Example Course. And then under bio, you would need to enter the bio of the person who is creating it. Now, if you already created your bio inside of the settings, then it will actually be available here as a drop down. But because we didn't do that, we need to add our bio now. Okay, so now I've created my bio. I just entered my name, my title, and you want to enter a title that's relevant to your course, of course. So if you have some level of expertise or you do something related to the topic of your course, you'll just want to enter whatever that title is here, and then a description here, and you can of course use these different buttons to italicize different things or bold things or even enter HTML, and then I've added in my image. So I'll add that bio, and now I am the author of this course. And then for the subtitle, let's just add the most amazing course you'll ever take. Okay, so now that we've done that little bit of work, we are going to click Create Course, and our online course will actually be created. Now, of course, we still have to do all of the work of adding in the lessons, but the course exists, and it was that easy. Okay, so inside of the curriculum part of your course, which is the main part, we can create sections, and we can also create lessons. To create a new section, we would just push this button that says New Section, and that would create a new section, and we need to give it a name. So we'll name this Module 1, and then we'll just click Create Section. Okay, and I see that it created also this one automatically. So we're going to just change the title of this one to actually be Module 2, and then we'll move it to be after Module 1. So now all you need to do here is just grab this hamburger stack right here, and then you can actually just drag it, which is so incredibly helpful because often you'll get your lessons in here in a mixed up order and you need to drag them around, or maybe you'll decide that you want to move a lesson from one module to another. So I'm just going to create one more module here because I want my course to have 3 modules. So I'm going to push New Section again and choose Module 3. And then I will create that section. Okay, so now we've got 3 modules, and now to create a lesson inside of a module, we just need to click New Lecture. Okay, so here we are inside of the new lecture that we just created, and the first thing that we need to do is name it. I'm just going to name this one Lesson 1. Getting started, but you of course can name it whatever you want. Okay, so then I'll save that, and now here's where you can add in all of the information about this lesson. So up here we can either add in files. We could add a video, we could add an audio file, a PDF, or any other sort of file here. If we add a video, that is going to show up at the very top of the lesson page. Anything else will get added right below that. Here, we could actually type in text directly. So you could just type in the lesson if you don't want to add it as a PDF. You can even add a quiz, or you can add in HTML code and make your lesson look exactly how you want. Now, most of the time, what I do when I'm creating my lessons is I'm adding 2 or 3 things. I'm adding a video, always, and then I'm also often adding some PDF files, and then I also frequently am adding some text to give some explanation for what's included in this lesson. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a video file here. So I'm just going to click Choose Files and search my computer. Now, I obviously haven't created new video lessons for this specific course, but I do have some of the course creator lessons on here, so I'm just going to use one of those, and it really doesn't matter which one, but I'm just going to pop it in there. And then I am going to click the upload button. Now, this does take a little bit of time to upload because you are actually uploading the entire video file, and it's going to be hosted with Teachable. Okay, so the video file has now been uploaded, and it's currently being optimized for playback. So that's basically Teachable is just working on getting everything set up so that that video will play properly. Now, of course, we could also add in a PDF file. So let's just go ahead and grab one of those so that we can see how that will end up looking on this page. So let's again add in one of those course creator PDFs that I've created for the course creator course. And this is just so meta, can't even handle it, huh? So now we're going to click the upload button, and that PDF will show up right here. And then we also can turn on comments so that people could leave comments, and by people, I mean your students, can leave comments on this lesson.